In the world of pharmaceuticals, quality reigns supreme. It's not just a goal, it's a non-negotiable imperative. Patients depend on the safety and effectiveness of the medicines they take. Every tablet, every milliliter of a solution must meet stringent standards. This is where pharmaceutical quality systems come into play. One of the most influential frameworks guiding pharmaceutical quality is the ICH Q10 guideline. ICH stands for the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use. This council is a global initiative that brings together regulatory authorities and the pharmaceutical industry. ICH Q10 specifically focuses on pharmaceutical quality systems, or PQS. It provides a comprehensive model for a robust and effective quality management system tailored to the pharmaceutical industry. This guideline isn't meant to reinvent the wheel, but rather to enhance existing good manufacturing practice regulations. ICH Q10 casts a wide net, encompassing all systems involved in developing and manufacturing pharmaceutical drug substances and drug products. This includes both traditional small molecule drugs and the increasingly complex realm of biotechnology and biological products. It's a comprehensive guideline meant to guide quality throughout a product's journey from conception to discontinuation. Importantly, ICH Q10 acknowledges that the level of detail and rigor applied to quality systems should be appropriate for each stage of a product's life cycle. The guideline recognizes that the knowledge base and the specific goals differ significantly between the early phases of development and the later stages of commercial manufacturing. To better understand the scope of ICH Q10, it's helpful to break down the pharmaceutical product lifecycle into its distinct stages. Each stage presents unique challenges and opportunities from a quality perspective. By aligning quality systems with these stages, companies can ensure a more efficient and effective approach to quality management. The first stage, pharmaceutical development, is where the foundation for quality is laid. This stage encompasses activities ranging from drug substance development and formulation development to the development of analytical methods and the manufacturing process itself. It's a period of intense research and experimentation, where the goal is to design a product and process that consistently deliver the desired quality attributes. Section 3. Development, the foundation of quality. Pharmaceutical development is the bedrock upon which product quality is built. It's during this stage that the product's critical quality attributes, or CQAs, are defined, and the manufacturing process is meticulously designed to consistently deliver those attributes. ICH Q10 emphasizes the importance of a science-based approach to development, leveraging knowledge gained through experimentation and data analysis. This knowledge forms the basis for the control strategy, a planned set of actions designed to ensure that the manufacturing process operates within predefined parameters and that the final product consistently meets its quality specifications. The control strategy is a living document, evolving as new knowledge is gained throughout the product lifecycle. Section 4. Technology transfer and commercialization. Once a product has successfully navigated the development stage, it's time for technology transfer, a critical step in bringing that product to market. This stage involves the seamless transition of knowledge and technology from the development setting to the commercial manufacturing facility. ICH Q10 provides guidance on how to ensure that this transfer is conducted in a controlled and efficient manner, minimizing the risk of quality issues arising during scale-up and commercial production. Effective technology transfer requires clear communication and collaboration between the sending and receiving units, whether they are within the same organization or located across continents. A detailed technology transfer plan should be developed, outlining the specific activities, responsibilities, and timelines involved in the transfer process. Section 1. Building on a solid foundation, GMP and ICH Q7. ICH Q10 doesn't exist in isolation. It's built upon the bedrock of existing good manufacturing practice, or GMP, regulations. These regulations, enforced by regulatory authorities worldwide, establish the minimum standards for pharmaceutical manufacturing, ensuring product quality and patient safety. ICH Q10 complements these standards by providing a broader framework for quality management that extends beyond the manufacturing site itself. Specifically, ICH Q10 aligns closely with ICH Q7, the Guideline for Good Manufacturing Practice Guide for active pharmaceutical ingredients. This guideline focuses on the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, the crucial components that give medicines their therapeutic effects. ICH Q10 builds upon the principles of ICH Q7, extending its scope to encompass the entire product lifecycle, from development to discontinuation. Section 2. Harmonizing with ISO standards, a global perspective. ICH Q10 doesn't operate in a vacuum. It recognizes the importance of harmonizing with internationally recognized quality management standards, particularly those developed by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. ISO standards provide a globally recognized framework for quality management systems, applicable across a wide range of industries. While ICH Q10 is tailored specifically to the pharmaceutical industry, it aligns with the core principles of ISO quality management system standards. These principles, including a process-based approach, risk-based thinking, and a commitment to continual improvement, are embedded within the ICH Q10 framework. Section 3. Complementing ICH Q8 and Q9. A holistic approach. ICH Q10 doesn't stand alone. It's part of a suite of interconnected ICH guidelines that, together, provide a holistic approach to pharmaceutical quality management. Two of these guidelines, ICH Q8, which covers pharmaceutical development, and ICH Q9, which focuses on quality risk management, are particularly relevant to the scope of ICH Q10. They introduce concepts and principles that are woven throughout the ICH Q10 framework. ICH Q8, as its name suggests, focuses on the pharmaceutical development process, emphasizing the importance of a science-based approach to product and process design. This guideline promotes the use of quality by design, or QBD principles, encouraging companies to understand and control the factors that can impact product quality throughout the development lifecycle. Section 4. Regulatory alignment, ensuring compliance and confidence. ICH Q10 is more than just a set of guidelines. It's a framework for regulatory alignment, bridging the gap between industry best practices and regulatory expectations. The guideline was developed through a collaborative effort between regulatory authorities and industry experts from the three ICH regions: the European Union, the United States, and Japan. This tripartite collaboration ensures that ICH Q10 reflects the current thinking and best practices in pharmaceutical quality management, while aligning with the regulatory requirements of these major pharmaceutical markets. This alignment is crucial for companies seeking to market their products globally, as it streamlines the regulatory approval process and reduces the risk of costly delays. At the heart of ICH Q10 lies a singular overarching objective: product realization. This term encapsulates the essence of why pharmaceutical quality systems exist in the first place: to ensure that the medicines produced consistently meet the needs of patients and healthcare providers. It's not enough to simply manufacture a product. It must be the right product, with the right quality attributes, delivered reliably time after time. Product realization goes beyond simply meeting regulatory requirements. It's about understanding the needs of patients, anticipating their expectations, and exceeding those expectations whenever possible. This patient-centric approach is paramount in an industry where lives are at stake. Imagine a manufacturing process that operates with unpredictable variability, where the quality of the output fluctuates from batch to batch. Such a scenario is unacceptable in the pharmaceutical industry, where consistency and reliability are non-negotiable. This is why ICH Q10 stresses the importance of establishing and maintaining a state of control throughout the product lifecycle. A state of control signifies that a manufacturing process is operating within predefined parameters with minimal variation, and that the output consistently meets its predefined quality standards. This state of control is not a static endpoint, but rather a dynamic equilibrium that must be actively maintained through ongoing monitoring, analysis, and intervention. In the ever-evolving landscape of pharmaceutical manufacturing, complacency is not an option. Even with a robust quality system in place, there's always room for improvement. ICH Q10 recognizes this by emphasizing the importance of continual improvement as a core objective. It's not enough to simply maintain the status quo. Companies must strive to enhance their processes, products, and systems continually. Continual improvement is not merely a set of procedures, it's a mindset, a culture that permeates every level of an organization. It's about fostering an environment where employees are empowered to identify areas for improvement, propose innovative solutions, and contribute to a cycle of ongoing progress. The three objectives of ICH Q10: product realization, establishing and maintaining a state of control, and facilitating continual improvement, are not isolated aspirations. They are intricately intertwined, forming a harmonious system that drives pharmaceutical quality excellence. Each objective supports and reinforces the others, creating a virtuous cycle that benefits both companies and patients. Product realization, the ultimate goal, is only achievable when a state of control is established and maintained. Without consistent processes and predictable outcomes, it's impossible to guarantee that every batch of medicine meets the required quality standards. The state of control provides the foundation upon which product realization is built. In the realm of pharmaceutical quality, knowledge is power. It's the bedrock upon which sound decisions are made, processes are optimized, and risks are mitigated. ICH Q10 recognizes this by emphasizing the importance of knowledge management as a key enabler of an effective pharmaceutical quality system. This involves more than just collecting data. It's about transforming that data into actionable knowledge that can be leveraged throughout the product lifecycle. Imagine a vast library filled with information about a pharmaceutical product. Its development history, manufacturing process, quality attributes, and performance in clinical trials. This library represents the collective knowledge base for that product, a valuable asset that can guide decision-making and drive continual improvement. Knowledge management is about ensuring that this library is well organized, accessible, and constantly updated. In any complex endeavor, risks are inevitable. The pharmaceutical industry, with its intricate processes and life-impacting products, is no exception. ICH Q10 recognizes this by emphasizing the importance of quality risk management as another key enabler of a robust quality system. It's not enough to react to quality issues after they arise. Companies must proactively identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks throughout the product lifecycle. Imagine a team of experts gathered around a table, meticulously analyzing a pharmaceutical manufacturing process step by step. They're identifying potential points where variability could occur, where contamination might arise, or where human error could lead to a deviation from quality standards. This is quality risk management in action. a systematic and proactive approach to ensuring product quality by anticipating and mitigating potential risks. Section 3. Synergy in action. Knowledge informing risk. Risk guiding knowledge. Knowledge management and quality risk management are not separate entities. They are intertwined, each strengthening and informing the other in a continuous cycle of improvement. Knowledge gained through experience, data analysis, and scientific understanding informs the risk assessment process, while the identification and assessment of risks highlight areas where knowledge gaps exist and further investigation is needed. Imagine a feedback loop where the knowledge gained from investigating a past quality issue informs the assessment of potential risks in a new manufacturing process. The identification of a new risk, in turn, prompts a search for additional knowledge, leading to a deeper understanding of the product or process. This synergy between knowledge management and quality risk management is crucial for building a robust and adaptable quality system. Section 4. A culture of proactive quality, embedding knowledge and risk management. Knowledge management and quality risk management are not merely tasks to be checked off a list. They are integral components of a proactive quality culture, a mindset that permeates every level of an organization, driving a relentless pursuit of excellence. This culture is fostered by leadership that values knowledge, encourages risk-based thinking, and empowers employees to identify and address potential quality issues. Imagine a workplace where open communication about quality is encouraged, where employees feel comfortable reporting potential risks, and where suggestions for improvement are welcomed and acted upon. This is a culture where knowledge is shared freely, risks are addressed proactively, and continual improvement becomes an integral part of the organizational DNA. Section 1. Leadership's role, setting the tone for quality. In the intricate world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, where precision and consistency are paramount, the responsibility for quality begins at the very top. Senior management, the leaders who chart the course of the organization, play a pivotal role in establishing a culture where quality is not just a goal, but an ingrained principle. They set the tone, shape the expectations, and provide the unwavering support needed to cultivate a robust and effective pharmaceutical quality system. Imagine a CEO addressing their employees, not with a focus on profit margins or production quotas, but with a passionate commitment to patient safety and product excellence. This leader understands that quality is not a department or a checklist, but a fundamental value that underpins every decision, every process, and every interaction within the organization. Section 2. Defining quality policy and objectives, a roadmap for excellence. A ship without a destination is lost at sea. Similarly, a pharmaceutical company without a clearly defined quality policy and accompanying objectives lacks direction and purpose. These elements provide the roadmap for achieving quality excellence, guiding decision-making, and ensuring that everyone within the organization is aligned towards a common goal. Imagine a concise and inspiring quality policy statement displayed prominently throughout a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility, a constant reminder of the organization's commitment to patient well-being and product quality. This statement is not just empty words, it's a living document that shapes the company's actions and guides its pursuit of excellence. Section 3. Resource allocation, investing in quality as a priority. In the competitive world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, where innovation and efficiency are highly prized, it can be tempting to view quality systems as an expense rather than an investment. However, ICH Q10 emphasizes that adequate resource allocation is fundamental to establishing and maintaining an effective pharmaceutical quality system. Investing in quality is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a strategic imperative that pays dividends in the long run. Imagine a state-of-the-art laboratory equipped with the latest analytical instruments, staffed by highly trained scientists who are passionate about ensuring the quality of the medicines they produce. This is a testament to an organization that understands the value of investing in quality. Section 4. Communication and Review. Maintaining a dynamic system. A pharmaceutical quality system is not a static entity. It's a dynamic and evolving framework that requires constant communication, monitoring, and adaptation to remain effective. ICH Q10 recognizes this by emphasizing the importance of establishing robust communication channels and conducting regular management reviews to ensure that the quality system remains aligned with the organization's goals and responsive to emerging challenges. Imagine a company-wide meeting where quality performance data is openly shared, discussed, and analyzed, not with a sense of blame, but with a collective desire for improvement. This transparent and collaborative approach to communication is essential for identifying areas where the quality system can be enhanced and for ensuring that everyone is informed and aligned on quality objectives. Section 1. ICH Q10. A paradigm shift in pharmaceutical quality. The pharmaceutical industry stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a constant source of innovation that has dramatically improved and extended countless lives. Yet, this noble pursuit of alleviating suffering and enhancing well-being hinges on a non-negotiable foundation: unwavering quality. ICH Q10, the cornerstone guideline for pharmaceutical quality systems, represents a paradigm shift in how this quality is achieved and maintained. Gone are the days of viewing quality as a mere checklist, a series of boxes to be ticked off during a regulatory inspection. ICH Q10 ushers in an era of proactive, science-based quality management, embedded throughout the entire product lifecycle, from the earliest stages of development to the ongoing monitoring of commercial manufacturing processes. It's a holistic approach that recognizes the interconnectedness of knowledge, risk, and continual improvement. Section 2. The future of pharmaceutical quality, innovation, and adaptation. The pharmaceutical landscape is in a constant state of flux, driven by scientific breakthroughs, technological advancements, and evolving regulatory expectations. In this dynamic environment, complacency is not an option. ICH Q10, while providing a robust framework for pharmaceutical quality systems, also recognizes the need for ongoing innovation and adaptation. Imagine a future where real-time monitoring of manufacturing processes, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, allows for instantaneous detection and correction of deviations from quality standards. Envision personalized medicines, tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, manufactured with unprecedented precision and control. These are just glimpses of what the future of pharmaceutical quality might hold. Section 3. A collective responsibility. Ensuring patient safety through quality. The ultimate measure of success in the pharmaceutical industry is not measured in profits or market share, but in lives improved and lives saved. Every tablet, every milliliter of an injection represents a promise to alleviate suffering, to restore health, and to enhance the well-being of patients who place their trust in the medicines they take. This promise hinges on an unwavering commitment to quality. ICH Q10 is more than just a set of guidelines. It's a call to action, a reminder that ensuring the quality of medicines is a collective responsibility. It's a responsibility shared by scientists, engineers, manufacturing technicians, quality control specialists, regulatory professionals, and everyone else involved in the intricate web of pharmaceutical development and production. This shared responsibility extends beyond the walls of pharmaceutical companies. It includes healthcare providers who administer these medicines, researchers who conduct clinical trials, and regulatory authorities who oversee the industry. Each stakeholder plays a vital role in ensuring that patients receive medicines that are safe, effective, and of the highest quality. By embracing the principles of ICH Q10, fostering a culture of quality, and collaborating across disciplines and borders, the pharmaceutical industry can continue to fulfill its promise, a promise to make a difference in the lives of patients worldwide by delivering medicines that meet the highest standards of safety, efficacy, and quality.